Asansol is a metropolitan city and it's also the second largest and the second most populated city in West Bengal. Asansol is also called the land of black diamond and it's also one of the largest producers of coal in India. It is also extremely famous for its Bengali food and Bengali mithais. In this video, we're going to be bringing you the top 10 best hotels in Asansol with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. The hotel list is not in order, so make sure that you watch the video till the end so we can help you select the best hotel for your stay. The Fern Residency Galaxy Mall. This hotel is adjacent to the shopping and the cinemas at the Galaxy Mall. This lovely hotel is about 1 kilometer away from the 21-meter tall Gandhi statue. Since it's located in the center, a lot of restaurant shopping areas are super close by. Getting access to public transport is also super easy. The staff here is very helpful and they make sure to go an extra mile so that you have a comfortable stay. They also have an in-house restaurant which serves delicious food and also offers a 24-hour room service. They have a 24-hour front desk service, a free Wi-Fi access, a gym, an in-house restaurant, a bar and also a 24-hour coffee shop. The hotel also has a business meeting room to host any type of conferences or meetings. It's a very good business hotel and also even family friendly. They do offer airport pickup and drop facilities at an additional cost. Rooms are very relaxing and comfortable with a TV, mini fridge, super comfortable beds and tea and coffee making machine. The pricing of the rooms is around 3,150 rupees. We have also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box down below. Hotel Asansol International. This lovely hotel is about 3 kilometers away from the Asansol railway station. Since of its amazing location, the access to public transport is easily available. We do recommend you to plan your day trips to explore Asansol. The hotel also offers car rental services. The hotel is also very famous amongst the locals as well as the tourists. It's also an old and extremely well-known hotel in Asansol. They have a lovely glass door indoor swimming pool, great for your relaxation and also a very well-equipped fitness center. An in-house restaurant with a bar which serves great local as well as international food is also available. The rooms here are beautiful with simple wood furnishing and very well maintained. Pricing of the rooms is around 2,400 rupees. We have also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box down below. The Grand Asansol. This lovely hotel is 3 kilometers away from Asansol railway station. The location of this hotel is amazing as a lot of tourist attraction. Public transport is super easy to access. The hotel is super famous amongst the locals as well as the tourists and they are very well known for their services and facilities. The hotel staff is really great and they make sure that you have a super hassle-free stay. They have an in-house restaurant which serves great vegetarian food and a variety of cuisines for you to choose from. They have a 24-hour front desk facility, a free Wi-Fi access, cleanliness and hygiene is fully maintained and room service facility is also available. They have an indoor swimming pool which is great for relaxing and also a very well-equipped fitness center for those of you who love to work out. Rooms here are super comfortable, very well equipped and the hygiene is very well maintained. The pricing of the rooms here is around 3,000 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. Fab Hotel Green. This is a great hotel at a very affordable pricing. You get amazing services and also great amenities at a budget pricing. The staff here goes an extra way to make sure that you are super comfortable and also relaxed during your stay here. The food here is great and we definitely recommend you to try the food out here because it shouldn't be missed out on. The rooms here are of a great quality and it's very well maintained, clean and extremely hygienic. Pricing of the rooms here is around 2,000 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. The City Residency. This lovely 3-star budget-friendly hotel is great and packed with amazing facilities and services. The location of this hotel is very convenient as it's located just at the highway and it can be very well noticed at a distance. The staff here is super friendly, helpful and they make sure that your stay is absolutely relaxing and comfortable. They have an amazing restaurant, a bar area where the services are top-notch and the ambience is also amazing. Since it's located on the highway, the access to public transport is a bit difficult, but you do not have to worry as the hotel can arrange transportation for you at an additional cost. In addition to that, they have a lovely swimming pool, a beautiful banquet hall perfect for hosting any type of functions. The rooms are also super comfortable, very well equipped with a TV, work desk, tea and coffee maker, attached bathroom and free toiletries. The pricing of the rooms is around 1,300 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop us a like button and also do subscribe to our channel for more travel tips. Hotel Ambassador Royal. This is a very well located hotel. A lot of places, shops, restaurants can be very well accessed at a walkable distance. The staff here is very friendly and helpful and they make sure to go an extra mile in making sure that you are super comfortable. They have a great in-house restaurant but with limited options of food, but you can definitely try a meal or two out here. They also have an in-house banquet hall which is great for hosting any parties or celebrations. The hotel rooms are very lovely and very well equipped and spaciously comfortable. The pricing of the rooms here is around 2,500 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. Hotel Ispat International. One of the oldest and the most busiest hotels in town, providing their guests great services over the years. You can definitely expect good service, super well trained staff and a hassle-free stay at this hotel. The hotel is centrally located just opposite the Asansol police lines. Great food is provided at their in-house restaurant with a wide range of food options, local as well as international. They provide a 24 24-hour room service facility, free Wi-Fi access, and also have a 24-hour front desk service. The rooms are amazingly comfortable and cozy, and the pricing of the rooms is around 1,700 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. Hotel Ajanta. This is a simple budget-friendly hotel located about 2 kilometers away from the Asansol railway station. Thanks to its amazing location, the access to public transport and a lot of food joints is very easy to access. The hotel provides very well-trained staff who make sure that your stay is super comfortable. 24-hour front desk is also available. They have an in-house restaurant and also a free Wi-Fi access that is available. The rooms here are very well maintained, neat and hygienic, and the pricing of the rooms here is around 1,500 rupees. We have also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box down below. Vatika Hotel. This is a great budget-friendly hotel located in Asansol near Kalyaneshwari Mandir. It provides you with all the basic facilities to make sure that you have a great stay. They have a 24-hour front desk service, a free Wi-Fi access, and also daily housekeeping is available. Rooms are very well maintained with super comfortable beds, a work desk, free Wi-Fi access, and also an attached bathroom. The pricing of the rooms here can go as low as 470 rupees. We have also attached the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. Spices Asansol. One of the nicest and also pocket-friendly hotels in Asansol with great staff providing you amazing services and facilities. They have an indoor banquet hall which is great for hosting any type of parties or celebrations. The lobby is amazing, giving you very relaxing ambience. The rooms are very well maintained with a TV, a tea and coffee kettle, separate seating area which is super nice and spacious. The pricing of the rooms here is around 1,080 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. We have attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box down below should you wish to book any of these hotels. This is Divya from Bandira Travel signing off. Stay safe, keep smiling, and see you next time. Bye-bye.